Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to join two cells together on Excel. So as an example here, if you've got your first name in the first column and you've got your last name in the second column, and let's say you want to join both of these names together into your third column, then let me show you how to do this. So here we'll be using the concat command. So we'll go ahead and type in the empty space here. You need to type in equal concat, open bracket, select your first value, which is your first column. Now press comma, open quotation, space quotation, comma. Then we'll select the second cell, which is your last name. Now we'll end the bracket and then we'll press enter. So now, as you can see, it has joined the first name and the last name into one full name. So now we can go ahead and duplicate these cells. And as you can see, it has joined two cells together and given you the full name for everyone. And there you go. That is how to join two cells together on Excel.
Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching.